At Lordhair, we offer hair densities going from extra light to extra heavy. Our lighter densities, like our medium light density, tend to work very well for older men. But there's a common misconception that the heavier density, the better the look. This really just is not true. A hair system with a density that is too heavy can really look unnatural and totally give away the fact that you're wearing a hair system. Having heavier densities also puts extra and unnecessary strain on your hair system, sometimes shortening the lifespan. Here we have our extra light density hair system. As you can see, this really just does not have as much hair as the other ones, quite clearly. Next, after this, there is a clear difference between these two. You can see our light hair density. Now after this we have our medium light. Medium light is often used in our stock systems, and it looks very natural on many men. After that we have our medium density systems. The medium density systems are also good for some men. We have a few stock systems in medium density. And going on up, we have our medium heavy. Just by looking at it, it's hard to tell the difference, but when you feel it, really you can feel that there's a lot more hair here than there is in our medium density hair system. And then here is our heavy density system. And similarly, you might not be able to see the difference, but you'll definitely be able to feel it. So if you're interested in hair systems, we can make it in any of these densities or any density in between any of these densities. So if you'd like one, you can visit our website at www.lordhair.com, or you can contact us at support@lordhair.com.
Lordhair, for a better you.